I am headed over to Alliance Field in St. Paul to photograph a giant loon. I'm so excited to see this thing. Can't wait to show it to you guys. Let's get going. Okay, so I can't photograph it right now. It's all fenced off and they're working on the landscaping, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to come back after probably working hours and try to stick my camera up and over the fence there to get a shot. I can try to fly my drone. I could move my car and over to a quieter area and then put my drone up and get a couple drone shots. So let's do that. We're gonna launch the drone and see if we can't get a decent shot from the air. The construction workers are there and there's trucks and they're working on landscaping, so probably not gonna get much, but at least we'll get a good look at it. I'm excited for this to open up to the public, and then I think it's gonna just be busy. So, but I think it looks really cool during the day because it's like bright silver, and then I would like to come back and also try and photograph this during sunset, because I think for the winter you can get a decent composition at sunset time too, and then that'll change again. The sun's position will change for the summer, so that'll be awesome. A little bit of internal storage. All right, we're gonna fly the drone. All right, well, I was able to get the drone up, and it's looking good from up there. I am really excited to come back and shoot this thing like right at noon when there's no shadows on it. Of course, I am happy to grab some shots when there are shadows because it does create some interesting shadows. And then I want to come back at sunset and again after dark. This is going to be a really popular tourist area once it opens. This statue was created by, I'll put it here, very famous around the world. He's got some other statues. Maybe I'll pop some photos up on the screen now for you. And if any of these shots were good, then you got to see them in this video, or you're going to see them up next. And I hope that you enjoy, and we'll catch you next time. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am looking forward to creating more photography and Minneapolis community type content for you and putting it out there, and I'm just excited to share with you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, leave me a message down in the comments. I'll reply to everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.